Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be doing an unboxing, and I got some items from Kate Spade. So I got this one during the Black Friday sale, and this is probably my very first purchase from Kate Spade in probably like 15 years or so. And I was a little bit surprised because I don't know, I just got it because I got a lot of like, I don't know, I got a lot of messages popped on my feeds. I got it in spam or anything like that on my email about the Kate Spade and sale, this and that. And they also have a katespade.com and a Kate Spade surprise. So I checked the website, and I see something that I really like, and also the price is pretty reasonable. And I'm going to show you what I got, and I have two boxes here. So yeah, the shipping is very fast from them. So first box I have, okay, so let me just show you what I got on the first box. So this is the first item. So the first item is a pouch. And oh my gosh, you probably guys have guessed why I got this, because I have several collections of the Nicolas Gasquier on the Game On collection from Louis Vuitton. And this one they have a little bit of similarities. This one has a resemblance of the print itself, and that makes me wanna get this print. And I think looking at it right now, it's beautiful. I love the black background, and also the cherries around it are so vibrant. Look at that. It is so stunning. So beautiful. So this is a cosmetic pouch, and yes, this one is structured. Let me open inside. So the inside says large opening right here inside. There is no pockets on the corner, so there's no pockets, just like, let me see the material inside. It just looks like the material that they use is wipeable, but I'm not sure though. That's the inside. It looks like from the Louis Vuitton cosmetic case though. And this one is so cute. I found this one so cute. That's why I got it. And the price, this one was $78, and I think, how much did I pay for this? I just want to make it sure. So I got this for $27, and yeah, it says here final sale because this is part of the Black Friday sale that they have. And I think this one is pretty, really cute. And this one is like a Saffiano leather, I guess. Really nice. Let me just try the zipper. Yeah, I love it. It's so cute, guys. For $27, why not? Really cute. I love it. Oh, so cute. So the second one I have is, so it's actually the same print, because I also saw this on the website as well. So this is the Lanyard, and this one is, I got this for $23. I'm just gonna show you. I'm so excited for this. Yes, so this is the Lanyard, and wow. So that's how it looks. It has a 2-slip pocket right here where you could put your cards, and also it has you could put your ID in here. So what I was thinking is, just since the strap is removable, I could use this one where I could put my 2 credit cards and also an ID. And this is, yeah, This is for $23. Beautiful. I love the pop of color. Love the cherries in it. Really stunning. And also the strap, the chain strap that came with it, where you could actually put this one, but I'm probably not going to use this like this. Probably not going to use it. But it does seem to look like the chain is so pretty though. Wow. The chain is really, really nice. It's lightweight, but it looks, no, it didn't look cheap at all. It looks really nice. And it complements really well with the print. I love this logo right there. It's in silver. Very lovely. I like this so much. Oh my goodness. I'm so surprised, really surprised. I haven't checked the website in so many years, in such a long time, but I already told you that I receive quite a lot of those spam and all kinds of stuff on my email, and also it shows on my Facebook as well, so might as well check it. So I end up purchasing some of the items. But anyway, and it's also in a great price, reasonable price. So I have here, so yeah, I have 2 items left. So this is a twilly, this is a slim twilly, and this is from Kate Spade as well. I love the color combination of these. These are my favorite colors, and I will be using this in some of my purses, and I think the green, the blue, and the pink as well complements perfectly together. And I got this for $20 each, and not bad. The price is not bad though, because I could always use this one in any of my purses. The twilly is so nice. Let me just open one so I could show you. So yeah, it's made up of silk though, so let me just see what it's made up of. 100% silk. Look at that. It is so stunning. It is so beautiful. I love the color combinations. Really, really nice. So pretty. Let me just use this one. Yeah, it's so cute. I love it. So that is for my first box. So let's move on. The second box that I have, this one I only have one. I don't know why they ship this one separately, but this one is, yeah. So this one is also the same print as the others, and this particular item show you. Okay, here it is. Oh wow, yeah, it's the same print. I am obsessed with this print. I don't know why. I know I keep saying that this reminds me of the Game On collection from Louis Vuitton, and this is a phone case. So yeah, this is a really nice, yeah, the material that they use, this is Saffiano leather. I kind of like it though. Really nice. I just purchased this just because of the print, but I know I could use this one a lot with my purses and everything. So this is just a phone pouch. You can put cards here at the back. A card slot here at the back. There's 2 actually. There's 2 card slots. And this one also came in with a chain. A combination of a, yeah, I think it's a combination of the Saffiano leather and also with this, let me just open it so you guys can see. Oh, it's removable. Wow, so you could just detach this. Wow, that's nice. So I could use this chain on any of my purses. That's great. And also the chain is also multicolor. Look at that. Oh, it has this charm, the hang tag Does it have a key though? I'm not sure if it has a key. Oh, there's no key at all. So this is just like an accessories, an embellishment for the pouch. But this one is removable as well. I could just use this one to decorate in some of my purses. This is so cute. I like it. I love the cherry print. Wow, this is also, this one is $128. And I got this one in sale on Black Friday for $45. Wow, I love the print. I don't know. There's just something with the print that I really, really like though. So here's the chain. I like the fact that the chain is detachable. So yeah, let me just see. Yeah, the chain has a really nice feel to it, guys. I don't know. There's something in it that makes it look luxurious. Makes it feel luxurious though. So this is how it looks with the chain. Really nice. You could just put your phone and your wallet inside. Let me see the interior. So the interior, while the interior is not very generous at all, it's a little bit hard. Oh wow. It's a little bit like, yeah, just it's not stretchable at all. So let me just put my phone inside and see how this one would fit. So this is my phone. So I think, yeah, it actually fits inside. But this is just, since this is a phone case, so I expect that you can only fit a phone inside. Wow, I'm surprised. On the website, it shows that it could fit a lot more than a phone. But the width for this one is just probably like just barely an inch though. Half an inch. So yeah. So this is the width. So I put the phone inside and yeah, it's just you could fit a phone inside. And also there is a card slot as well. So it could actually, you could put 3 cards inside. Let me just show you. But yeah, since this is like a phone case, I know, a phone purse, yeah, makes sense that it could just fit a phone. But yeah, regardless, I think this one is very well made. I just love the color. I mean, the color is so stunningly beautiful. Oh my goodness. Really nice. Wow, the print is amazingly beautiful. The pop of colors. Wow, it's so lively. Really, really nice. I love it. I'm surprised. For so many years, I haven't purchased anything from Kate Spade. This is my very first purchase in so many years, and I'm quite happy though. I'm really, really happy that I got this item from them in such a great price, and the print is amazingly beautiful. Wow, really nice. So pretty much these are all the items that I got. So this is a lanyard, this is a cosmetic pouch, and this is a phone case, a phone pouch. Look at those lovely colors. Plus I also have two of these skinny bandeau where I could use in the twillies, where I could use in my purse, which is absolutely cute. And yeah, I just love this print. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.